Alrighty, guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, we have made over $752 from swing trading Walmart stock. We held the position for about 8-9 days, and making that amount of money is like going into a full-time job, clocking in. So we're able to capture momentum, right, with this strategy that we're going to be covering today. So like, follow, and if you want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's fantastic, and you guys can get 50% off by using code FALL. It's like a early fall sale. Check it out. I think 3 spots left for that code, so check it out down below. But the biggest thing of this video, guys, is this is not easy. I'm going to be showing you guys tips, tricks, strategies, and you guys, what I want you guys to do is to implement them. But what I mean by that is to practice them before using real money. People and new traders have this association when it comes with trading. It's this easy way to just sit back, relax, and watch the money roll in. And in reality, most successful traders make a whopping 3% per month. So understanding that kind of starts to put things in perspective. Okay, if you're just starting out with a small amount of money, with $100, $200, 3% on $100 is $3. It's not going to pay your bills. But if you thought you were going to turn $100 into, 1,000 in 30 days, it's going to be extremely difficult to do so. But we're going to be showing you guys a strategy that I love and use every single day. So stay tuned, like, follow, and let's dive into this. All right, so the first thing I always look at when establishing should I buy a stock is trends. Trends, in my opinion, are probably one of the most underutilized things traders don't pay attention to. So the first thing I always look at is a stock on an upward trend. You guys will see it's gone from, honestly, lows at 75 all the way up to over 100. So it establishes a good upward trend. The next thing is support. Support is just where a stock has natural tendency of getting buying pressure. You guys will notice the heavy amount of support on that blue line, the blue straight line. Now, you guys will see here it hit it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. What happens? Buying pressure each and every time. So now I go, okay, it has heavy support. I will also look at an indicator by the name of the RSI. That's down on the bottom here. At the time here, it was trading for about a 36. Last time it was trading for a 36 was back, in this range, a little bit in here, where we saw some sort of move to go higher, which is important. So let's kind of go over this again. We have a stock on an upward trend. We have heavy support on that blue straight line. It's undervalued on that RSI. The next thing I look for is I go to a lower time frame. I go to the 1 hourly, or in some cases, even the 4 hourly chart. You guys will see here what I really love to look for is a stock on that downward trend, but is coming up to support. So you guys will see that white resistance. So this is where we get a lot of selling pressure. It hit it once, twice, 3 times. So what we did is we set an alert for above it. The stock popped up, formed a new trend. By the time we got in on this stock, it was around $96. And you guys will notice that this thing rallied its way up. The first pullback, we did sell about 80% of our shares at about $100. And the reason why that is because taking profit, right? I know this statistic. Like I told you, 3% per month. If you're making that, you're in the top 5% of the traders in the world. So yeah, with the stock that already squeezed up, let's do the math here real quick. If the stock that already squeezed up, 3.7%, yeah, I'm going to take profit. But we still held another 20% of our shares for a just-in-case situation, and it panned off really, really well. The stock popped up, and you guys will notice it formed almost a new little trend line, which is important here. So you guys will see a new trend starting to form like this. Now, we did kind of miss the boat because the stock did sell off below that trend. That's kind of where we got out of the position, around 103. So now with it popping back up, that does establish buying pressure there, but we just decided to close the stock. Close the position, $752 in total profit. Easy, beautiful, simple trade, simple breakout, right? Downward trend, set alert, stock popped up, formed a new trend, rallied its way up. Now, you also can use other indicators to help. Like I will always look at different moving average lines. I will look at the MACD indicator, which is an entry point indicator. So you guys will see the beautiful crossover down here, right where it rallied its way up. So now as it started to dip down, I thought that was kind of the end of it. But I've been wrong and I was wrong. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. But if you want to learn more about trading and investing in the market, check out our school. It's fantastic. We got private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, and sign up with Mumu, which is the broker that I've used for the past 7 years. So I'll see you guys in there. Like, follow, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.